So one of the questions that skeptics usually ask is the question of the vastness of the universe. Why is God creating a universe that is so vast, absolutely uninhabitable? 99.999% of the universe is hostile to life. It appears so undesigned. This is a message to the Christians actually. We start assuming that the whole universe has been created for our sake. Actually, it is not true. When you read Psalms 19, these verses, you will see that the heavens declare the glory of God, these are a handiwork of God. So this is a point that we need to understand. The vastness of the universe reflects the glories of God. It is a manifestation of the creative power of God rather than merely being an advantage to the existence of human beings. The Revelation chapter also says how God has created all of this for his own pleasure and own volition. That the whole universe is not meant for us, but it is not. We are not as important as we think we are. Even apart from our existence, God's glory is the same, God's omnipotence is the same, God's creative power is the same. So we don't add anything to the nature and power of God, and all of these things are really a manifestation of God's creative power, and we should be humble in knowing that. Second point to be noted is that we have a tendency to interpret the whole Bible as something written to us. Listen carefully to what I'm saying. The Bible was written for us, not to us. You can see in this verse, the interesting note is being made. The Old Testament writers were writing, it was primarily meant for those readers, but at the same time, they wrote for our purposes, for our edification, for our verification, and so on and so forth. But we need to understand that the primary purpose of the text of the Bible is not directly meant to us, it was not addressed directly to us. So what we have to do is understand the context of the particular topic that we are reading, and then we read it in the secondary sense. Primarily it is meant for the people it is addressed to, secondarily it is meant for us. So we need to have this balance made properly.